Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can extend music with Suno AI. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we're looking for can be found in a couple places. We can either go to Create or Library. We'll go ahead and click on Create, and here you can see that we have a list of our songs. So on the right-hand side here, first of all, let me just clear this out. On the right-hand side, you're going to see all of your different songs here that you've created. And at the right-hand side of your song, you're going to see these three little dots here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and then you'll get a submenu. And here we're going to find Remix Edit. If you hover over that with your mouse, then you'll get this next submenu, and we're going to select Extend. So now we have our extend window open here on the left-hand side, and it says here, select time to extend your clip from. So let's say that you like the song up until a certain point, and what you want to do is you can see this bar here at the end. So what we could do is we can grab this bar and we can put it where we want to extend the song. So let's say we wanted to extend it from here. So we liked everything up until this point, but then we want to basically chop the end off, and then we want it to extend from this point in the song. So here then you can see that it's set to 2 minutes and 50. So now then what we can do is come down here to the bottom where it says Remix, and we can go ahead and click on that. And then you can see here that Suno is working on our extension. And next to it, it says Part 2. So that's how you know that it's an extension of the track that you selected. So let's go ahead and just listen to the track here. And we're going to put it at the end. Okay, so that's what we want to change, is that end there. So what we're going to do now is let's go ahead and take a look at our extension. So that's our extension. Now you'll see here that we have this little circle that's kind of spinning around. That's an indication that the generation is not quite finished yet. So you can still listen to it while it's working, but it's still not quite done. Once it's done, then that's going to stop and it's going to show us the time. So you can see here that this one is already finished. So it says here 1 minute and 33. So that's an indication that the extension is done. And then you can listen to the extension and see which one you like the best. And then what you're probably going to need to do is you're going to need to download each of the individual tracks. So you're going to need to download your original, and then you're going to need to download the extension. You could do that by clicking on the three dots here, and then you can see the download option. And then from here, it's really up to you to take this into a DAW. You can use something like Audacity, which is free, and you could basically, you're going to have to edit that together so that it's seamless, and there you have it. Then you have your completed song. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. And if you are interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. We have a referral link there in our link tree. And if you get started with Simply through the referral link, you'll get $50 in your bank account to start. Once you've started your account, you can get $125 per referral for referring your friends and family, and they will as well get $50 in their account. It's a great bank. It's a great deal. Check out Simply Financial. It's highly recommended.